gentlemen, welcome back to Driver Motorsports YouTube vlog.
What?
Every time, that's what I was looking for. So apparently this is disassembly week. We're gonna start with this one. We gotta get the motor and trans and everything out. This one's getting
A lot.
Yeah, this one's getting a lot. It's getting the stroker, cams, kind of everything. So yeah, single turbo, all the goodies. So we're gonna get that out of this. This car is already gorgeous. I think aesthetically it's perfect. The interior's super rad. Like
RB28 broker going in it.
the window banner is like legit carbon fiber. I don't know. It's just a thin sheet that's kind of up here. You can see it's flexes a little bit. Super rad. I've never seen anybody do that before. Super cool. LMGT4s, super cool carbon fiber bits, the headlight intake. I think in the previous video he talked about how he's doing this headlight. He's getting it carbon formed. Cooling panel, grill, lower splitter. This thing looks awesome. So we've got this car we're disassembling. We've got the Rival GTR build, which we're going to disassemble this week. We've got an S13 that we've got to get the motor out of, and then the last one, I don't know if we've talked about it, so we'll get there when we get there. But CJ and I have got a busy week. We've got to pull a lot of stuff apart.
Number one key to all this is organization.
Yes.
Stick to it. You organize your parts, you can find them, you can put it back together.
You label everything. You keep everything in one spot, one pallet, or two pallets in this case. But I mean, if you're just conscientious about it, when you take it apart, it makes putting it all back together really easy.
Have you seen that video of the guy where he's like, see that thing? I don't know where that goes. See that box right there? That's my toolbox. My tools are all over the floor. Take that back. Half those tools aren't even mine. I love that video. But
so
yeah, organization. Stick to it.
Let's get to it. I might see if I can set up a time lapse for you guys. So at least for the motor coming out, we got a lot of work to do to get to that point.
Is that the intro?
It's mail time.
Okay. Mail time!
First of all, we have some sweet Tome goodies. I already opened it, but sorry.
But I guess they're just stronger, right? It was
Yeah.
something about the material they're made out of.
Yep.
And you see, kiddos, that's where the shim rides up against right in here.
Yep.
Then these buckets right here, this is for Scheimer's car, right?
Yeah.
The yellow GTR.
Ooh.
Some Kelford cans. Let's see what we got. So I don't know if you guys can see. But basically it's a 272 lift with 234 duration. Both the same exact intake and exhaust are the same. Okay, yeah, so actual lift here is 9.2 millimeters. See that right there in the center there?
You'll have to bear with Chris. He doesn't have his glasses on.
Yeah, I gotta squint. The camera's squinting too, though. So Kelford is an Australian company, or are they New Zealand?
No, they talk like this.
They talk like that, mate?
Look at that. It's nice right there. It's even got the indentions in it there, so you don't have to pull these out to pull off your head. You don't have to do that.
Nice.
You see, it says what she is right there.
Yeah, I mean, we did some research,
Good stuff,
and we found that the Kelford cams are actually really nice units. So a lot of people are making really good power with them. So we're gonna put them in and check it out.
Update! So we've got... Update! I like scare myself when I did that. Got a few more things on my side. He's got a few left on that. But we've got the exhaust downpipes, intake, drive shaft, pretty much everything underneath the car. We've got the wheels off, we've got the wheel speed sensors off, the brake lines off. You know, just dropping sheet metal over there. Josh is fabbing. We've got the uppers off, coilovers out, so everything suspension wise is ready to go. Plumbing is pretty much everything that we need off is taken off. So get back to you in a second when we start dropping this thing out. All right, CJ's just double checking everything. We're about to lower the car down onto the platform here, our cart. That's how we do everything. It's just a whole lot easier to move these motors, get everything set up, then we can just roll the entire drivetrain, drop it on. So hopefully I've got a time lapse going on over there. Hopefully you guys can see this. So I'm gonna set this one up to record as well. So let's see what happens. Ta-da! She's done.
We did it.
We did it. Yep.
Then two. All right, done.
And we only forgot one thing. And we caught it on the way up. So, sweet.
Yeah. Now, I'm pretty sure we got to take the motor trans off of this.
I was going to say, we got to get the trans off.
Pop the subframe back up in there.
Do we need the subframe back in this one?
We got to roll it around. Well, no, we can use those dollies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we had that other one in the back.
We can put it on the white ones. The Ski-Doo one. The one that we were using for hunters. Put it on the Ski-Doo rack.
Yeah, so,
that's it.
Peace.